In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared Google Calendar. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or planning a family schedule, shared calendars can prove invaluable in ensuring everyone stays on the same page. To get started, head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by simply navigating to calendar.google.com in your preferred web browser. Once you are on the main calendar view, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the Other Calendars section. Here you'll notice a plus sign. Click on it. This button gives you the option to create new calendars or import existing ones. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear. From here, select Create New Calendar. This action will direct you to a new page where you'll set up your calendar's details. The first thing you'll need to do is give your calendar a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so everyone you share it with knows exactly what it's for. For example, if it's for a project at work, the project name would be suitable. Next, consider adding a description. This step isn't mandatory, but it helps provide context about the calendar's purpose, especially if you're sharing it with a larger group. Once you've filled out these fields, click Create Calendar. Upon submission, the system will quickly create your new calendar. At this point, it will redirect you back to the main settings page where you can make further adjustments. Now let's make this calendar shareable. Select the calendar you just created from the list on the left, and then navigate to the Access Permissions for Events section. Here you'll have several choices. If you want the calendar to be publicly available on the web, check the box for Make Available to Public. Remember, making a calendar public means anyone with the link can view it, so be cautious with sensitive information. Confirm your selection by clicking OK in the dialog box that appears. Alternatively, you might prefer to share the calendar with specific people or groups rather than making it public. To do this, scroll down to the Shared with Specific People section, click Add People and Groups, and enter the email addresses of those you wish to share the calendar with. After entering their email addresses, there's an option to set their permission level using the drop-down menu. Choose the level that best suits your needs, from simply seeing if you're free or busy to managing the calendar entirely. Finally, once you've set the permissions, click Send to invite them. They'll receive an email notification and can then view or edit the calendar based on the permissions you've assigned. And there you have it, a shared Google Calendar that keeps everyone in sync. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tips and tricks.